story again?
He's a fly. I know him.
Oh, and where's Daddy?
There's here.
He's downstairs? Well, what happened this morning? Whoa!
So fast.
So good.
Happy birthday.
Oh, you said happy birthday to Uncle Al?
Yes, a big candle. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I will pick a bag.
Good girl.
And that's.
Is your hair all wet from the water?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
It's just water.
Oh no.
It's okay, it's just water from the shower.
Oh no.
What are we going to do today?
Here's Mommy, here's a bathroom.
Yeah?
Yeah. Mommy, Tico.
Okay, goodbye. Say bye.